instance variable. Okay, there is a final instance variable, this is final instance variable, and final static variable, and final local variable, this is the final local variable, and final class, this is the final, I created a dummy class, and final methods, final method, this is the final method, inside it I declared it. This is I'm showing in front of you only for basic understanding, where we are using the final keyword and how we have to be used in proper manner without any error. Okay, so firstly, what is the final instance variable? So this is the final instance variable. So a Java variable can be declared using the keyword final. Okay, so this is the final, and then final variable can be assigned only once, we can't override it. Okay, this is the basic and very important, we can't assign again, it only assign only once. Okay, a variable that is declared as a final and not initialized is called blank final variable. Okay, a variable is a final, again you understand this concept, a variable is a final if you are not assigned it. Okay, so in that case, your, like, x is I assigned without final keyword before it, so it was some default value inside it. Okay, but now I finalize in final keyword, so this is your blank. So final keyword always treated as a blank variable. Okay, so blank variable force either the constructor to initialize it or initialization block to do this job. So firstly, this is the initialization block I created, there is a no name about this, so this is the initialization block of the instance variable, or this is the static variable initialization block, where static keyword is declared about this thing. So there is a three thing by that we can easily initialize any variable. Firstly, using by this method only for declaring some, there is a curly bracket, and inside that we can easily to declare any variable. Second, by the constructor. Okay, so this is the important thing. Next one, final instance is static, sorry, final static variable. So static member variable when qualified with final keyword, it becomes blank until initialized. So I created final, so before final it was default value. Okay, after I declared as a final, it assigned as a blank variable, and after that I assigned it a static, this is the block of this static where I assigned y equal to 7. Okay, now final static variable can be initialized during declaration or within this static block. During declaration, here I assign value equal to 5, otherwise I will use this concept inside it. Okay, next concept, final local variable. So final local variable that are final must be initialized before it's used. This is the final local variable. I created a function public void fun, and inside that I created int equal to k, sorry, int k variable. This is the local final. So after that I declare the final, so this is your local final variable. Next, your final class, this is your final class dummy, I created as a dummy, so this is final. If I didn't declare any final, so in that case you can override this, sorry, you can make any subclass of this class, and you can use and extend this class also, like this is concept. Before I didn't created as a final, but after final I can't extend this dummy class because it's final, we can't override it and we can't extend it. So this is the important concept about the final class. So Java class declared as a final can't be extended, restricting inheritance. Okay, final methods, inside it I created a final void sum function, and after that I created as a final, so we can't also override this method in any other class, we can't use it further. So it's very important to understand the final. If you have any doubts to relate it in theoretical concept about it, just comment and I will definitely share for you to related theory concept for this final keyword. So this is by my side, and thank you so much for this.